Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at what's coming up in the next release of Linux Mint, version 22.1, which is expected to be out in December. So what can we expect from this new release? Linux Mint 22.1 will include several exciting updates, especially for Cinnamon, its flagship desktop environment. One of the most notable changes is a revamped Cinnamon theme. Mint developers are focusing on modernizing the look and feel of Cinnamon to give users a more polished experience. This means a cleaner, more consistent interface with refined icons, colors, and overall visuals, something that should appeal to both new and longtime Linux Mint fans. In addition to the new look, the developers are making improvements to usability and efficiency. Cinnamon will offer better control over animations and desktop effects, allowing users to customize their experience without sacrificing performance. For those who like a smooth and modern interface without any lag, these updates are especially welcome. Linux Mint 22.1 will also continue to support Flatpak by default, reinforcing its commitment to providing a wide range of applications right out of the box. This aligns with Mint's philosophy of being user-friendly and ready to go, making it an attractive choice for beginners and experienced users alike. As always, Mint's dedication to stability and ease of use is at the forefront, so users can expect a smooth upgrade experience and reliable daily performance. It's also clear that the team is listening closely to user feedback, working to refine the system in ways that enhance the overall experience without overwhelming the user. Linux Mint 22.1 promises to bring a fresh look and feel while keeping everything that users love about Mint intact. So, are you excited to try it out? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release. Thanks for watching.